Hi guys, this should be a simple little project. I was going through a drawer and found these glasses, an old pair of glasses, and all that appears to be wrong with them is they're missing the screw that holds the arm onto the front bit, whatever we call it, the frame. I'm not sure if these are my wife's glasses or my glasses. Doesn't really matter, but I don't see anything on them that actually tells you the magnification. So I would guess they're probably be my wife's glasses. Oh, sorry. And they've probably come from Specsavers or somewhere like that, rather than the ones that I wear, which come from Poundland, because I just buy the cheap reading glasses. Anyway, they appear to be missing the screw that holds them together. So I've been to Home Bargains and bought this little pack, 59p. It's got some screws in there, but I'm looking at those screws and to be honest, they look much smaller than the ones that are in here. So I think this might be a fail before we've even started. But we'll have a look, because I just thought this was a nice little pack for 59p. Got a little screwdriver, tiny pair of tweezers, another screwdriver, a tiny eyeglass, magnifying glass, 4 screws, some rubber ring things, and I think those are the pads that go over the nose piece, if your nose piece have pads on it, and a tie to go around your neck as well, so you don't lose your glasses. So we'll have a look. As I say, I think those screws look too small, so I think we're on a loser right from the beginning. It'd be nice if this was magnetic, but it's not. I wonder if I've got a little magnet laying around that we can use. Not very convincing. As I say, I think we're on a loser because I don't think that's the right size. No, that's not going to work. So we failed before we've even started. Well, that's a shame. I've wasted 59p. They're the wrong size screws. I wonder if they're the right size for here. These are Poundland glasses. The only thing is I can't see what I'm doing now because I've taken my glasses off. Nope. No, that's not even gripping in there, and like I said, I can't see what I'm doing. How about if I put these on? Nope, they just fell off. Well, this is a total failure. I was so pleased when I spotted that pack. Like I said, 59p. But if those screws are too small, they're no good at all. So we'll put that back in there. So we've got a nice little magnifying glass. Yeah. tiny pair of tweezers. And another screwdriver. I mean, yeah, okay, we've got two pairs of screwdrivers, two screwdrivers. And as I say, these things that go around your neck so you don't lose your glasses. Right, well, like I say, that's a bit of a fail. I'll go and have a look in the drawer where I found these, just in case that screw is laying in the bottom somewhere. Would that undo it? Yeah, that will undo it. Certainly won't come out. Push it out. Nope, that's too big to go through. There we go. Well, at least we can see what we're looking for, if we don't lose it. So that's what we're looking for. And that's the size that we've got. So yeah, that's the one in the little pack that I've just bought, and that's the one that was actually in the glasses. I'll go and have a look. I don't expect for 1 minute I'll be able to spot it, but you never know. If I take a magnet like that, and there is a chance I might find it in the drawer. Well, that was a complete waste of time. And 59p. I've had a good hunt through the drawer where I found that pair of glasses with a magnet, and I haven't been able to find the missing screw, which is probably why they were tucked away in the drawer, because they'd lost the screw. So I'll put this one back in for what it's worth. Okay, so that one works. And for this side, I guess we'll use a bent paper clip, because that's the way I work. Just cut that one off, stick it through there. No doubt that sharp edge is going to stick in somebody at some time or other. That was the quick fix. A bit of bent paper clip. I'll just try them on. Well, they seem to work. So I suspect they're my wife's. I don't recognise them. But going through the drawer where these came out, I found about another dozen pairs of glasses. I do believe there is some charity that actually collects old glasses, so we might have to have a clear out and get rid of them. So, back to the Home Bargains eyeglass repair kit. It looks like it's got all the bits there, but in the case of this particular pair of glasses, those screws were no use whatsoever. They were far too small. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.